Hey everyone, it's Karen with 360 Alberta, and I have a ton of community events happening in our reading area, our viewing area. So let's get started. So on November 22nd, the Manville Egg Society is hosting their steak night. It's at the Manville Rec Center. It's a dinner and dance and an online auction. There's no minors, and for tickets, you can call us. November 26th is the annual Innisfree's Holiday in the Hallway, 6:30 to 8 p.m. at the Millennium Building. Now, there's a live and silent auction. It's a fundraiser event for a number of Innisfree and area organizations. On November 28th, Vermilion and District Chamber of Commerce is hosting their Country Christmas Parade at 7 p.m. On November 28th, the Manville Library is hosting its Black Friday bake sale and social tea from 1 until 3 p.m. St. Paul Christmas Craft Sale is taking place at the St. Paul Rec Center on December 6th from 10 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and it is free admission. On December 6th as well, the Manville and District Chamber of Commerce is holding their Christmas extravaganza from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Manville Rec Center. Admission is by donation to Santa's Anonymous or to the local food bank. There will be a Christmas skate in the skating rink and pictures with Santa and much more. On December 7th, the Innisfree Trade Show and Rec Center will take place at the Innisfree Rec Center from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. There's 30 plus vendors. It's a silver collection at the door, and money raised goes to local organizations. So if you've got any community events coming up, contact us either at 360 Alberta or 360 Saskatchewan. For 360, I'm Karen Arndt.